Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through the steps to change the Duolingo app language to English. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. Give it a moment to load. When the home screen appears, look at the top left corner. You will see the small flag icon that shows the language you are learning. Tap on this icon. This will open a page with your current learning courses. Next, on the same page, look for a small plus icon located next to your course list. This plus icon is used to add or switch courses. Tap on the plus icon to continue. After you tap the icon, you will see a long list of languages. Scroll down slowly until you find the language that matches the one your app interface is currently using. For example, if your Duolingo interface is in German, scroll until you see German. When you find it, tap on the option that says for German speakers or the equivalent option for your language. When you open the course options for your language, you will see a list of languages you can learn from that base language. Scroll through the list and look for English. Tap on English when you see it. After tapping English, the app will show a message asking if you want to change your interface language to English. Tap the option to confirm the change. After a moment, the interface language of the app will switch to English. Thanks for watching.